Is your Ford Kuga key fob not working? Let's get it sorted. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The Kuga fob uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable. Pry open the fob with a small tool, being careful not to use metal, and swap the battery. If that doesn't fix it, the fob may need to be relearned or resynced with your Kuga. The next most common issue is the key fob being unpaired. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try the relearn procedure. This involves a specific sequence, typically turning the ignition key to run 8 times within 10 seconds to enter programming mode, then pressing a button on the fob. Refer to your Kuga's manual for the exact steps, as they can vary by model year. If issues persist, the problem might lie with the receiver antenna module, RAM. Resetting the RAM involves disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear any fault codes. If problems continue, it may require expert intervention.